Here's how to fix a Steam purchase error. First, check if Steam servers are down by searching Steam server status in your browser. If there is an outage, simply wait and try again later. If servers are fine, open Steam, click your account name in the top right, and go to Account Details. Verify your saved payment method is active, has sufficient balance, and all card details are correct. If something is wrong or your card is being blocked by your bank, add an alternative payment method from the same section. If payment still fails, try using a different payment method entirely. Next, clear the Steam download cache. Click Steam in the top left, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart automatically. Once back open, try your purchase again. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can interfere with the checkout process, and this step resolves the error for most users alongside verifying payment details. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.